Alright, guys, so it's me. Oof, oof. It's not herpes, it's a hair bump that I squeezed a few days ago and it just pop up back. You can see it from afar. I don't even need to zoom. People feel like having facial hair is the dream, but they never talk about stuff like this. You get one and two hair bump every now and then. This one chose to just drop from the top lip that is already heavy enough as it is, and now I have the addition of this thing that look like it weigh a whole pound. Goodness, let's get rid of it. Oh, I feel like I have a gun, a weapon. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, 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 pew. Pew, pew, pew. Pew, pew, pew. It looks like a button. I just want to just press it, press it, press it. Pew. Press here to activate. It feels kind of stiff too. Alright, let's see what comes out of it. Wow, I feel like you're that boss. Cause me really apply some pressure. It doesn't want to come out. Oh my god. It doesn't want to leave. Alright, oh my gosh. It actually don't want to come out, y'all. Honestly, most people like to see when it like exit. The front camera on this thing sucks. Wait, is this good? What? Look at me playing with this bump. Now it's out of focus. Alright, it's not too bad. Alright, let's go. Yeah, squeeze it. Wow. This thing won't hold my top lip captive because it really not coming out. Oh my god. Oh no. This is serious. You see how hard me I squeeze? This is actually serious. What is the how are this? How are this started? No sir. Hold on. Hold on. No. Oh my goodness. It needs to actually get kind of tired now. To how long may I try to bust this? Oh. Oh. Ow. Ah. Ow. Jesus Christ. Oh. I'm never do nobody no, you know. So I understand why this thing just pop up. I'm gonna flip like that. Oh God. Everything that I bet everything that's not Oh Jesus. It still kind of feel like something in there. Nobody I cry. Wow. So I could write something. See there? Oh, I can't barely see nothing. But gosh. Look at that. Oof. Yeah. I'm out. I'll clean up this now.